Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to add or remove admin password for BIOS on LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. First of all, to enter the BIOS menu itself, you're gonna have to shut down your computer, then turn it on, and while it's launching, you have to repeatedly click F2 key until you see the BIOS dashboard on your screen. Here you're gonna have to select Configuration on the sidebar, or no, rather security, and here in the security you're gonna have to double click Set Administrator Password, then enter it into the first field and confirm it by entering it in the second field. Press enter and the administrator password will be set. To apply changes, press F10 and enter. After setting the administrator password, you will also be able to turn on and set the power on password for your device, also the user password, and eventually you'll be able to set the hard disk password after adding the master password. Now, if you want to remove the admin password, you have to double click right here, enter your current password into the first field, and then leave second and third one blank, press enter, and this way the administrator password will be removed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.